I've been using the 65-inch Samsung R85H 4K Micro RGB TV for some time. And if you want a premium TV without dropping OLED money, this thing is surprisingly good. I bought this TV from Amazon, and I put the Amazon link in the description. You can check it there for the cheapest available price and any discount coupon. The main thing you notice right away is the picture. Colors are super clean and bright, especially when you throw on 4K HDR stuff. Dark scenes still keep plenty of detail, but what I actually like best is that it just looks natural. It doesn't have that super fake, over-processed look that a lot of TVs have out of the box. So movies and sports look great, without you having to tweak the settings forever. At 65 inches, it hits that sweet spot, big enough to feel like a real home theater, but it doesn't totally overtake a normal living room. The VisionAI stuff is actually pretty handy too. It tweaks the picture and sound on its own, depending on what you're watching. Plus, gaming on it with a PS5 or Xbox is an absolute blast. Tizen is Tizen. Super easy to use, fast, and all your apps are right there. Design-wise, the bezels are super thin, so it looks sleek even when it's off. Look, at the end of the day, it's still a backlit LED TV. If you're watching in a pitch black room and need those absolute perfect OLED blacks, OLED is still king. But if you just want something really bright with killer colors, a great picture, and solid smart features for everyday living room use, the R85H is a really strong choice. Check the link in the description if you want to see the latest price or catch a discount coupon. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.